She's always a sad girl. What up, YouTube? Tim and Jana.
What up?
We are on a hike right now. We're gonna smoke some joints, and we'll show you where we're going. Let's do it.
Oh, it is. That's a lot of water. It's about knee deep, but it's you don't know what the floor looks like. So it's all the way up to the trees. See, I said they were pumping water up. There's an actual thing. It used to be coming up from the water.
All right, guys, it's snowing. Failed twice today. We'll talk about it when we get back home. Washed out on the first hike, snowed out on the second hike. Let's go smoke this weed. All right, guys, we had to stop at the charger. We ran out of juice. We drove up to the mountains today, hoping to go on that 10-mile hike. We're charging up. We're watching a little YouTube while we're in here. But we're going to the dispensary. We're going to get some new hash, and then we're going to smoke these joints. I know you guys have been waiting to get to this sesh. Let's smoke these joints. Let's get some new hash. I'll see you guys at the shop. All right, we got the bag, baby. Let's get back in the whip. Oh, no, won't let me in. Oh, no. YouTube, what's going on? We're back. We're going to finish this vlog. Kind of forgot about this one, honestly. I haven't even smoked those joints yet. We got flooded out on the hike. We got snowed out on the hike. So tonight, we're going to make some fried chicken, and we're going to smoke these joints finally. Let's go. Chicken. Joints, good times, good conversations. Me and Jana, she's taking a dab right now. Recipe on the screen somewhere right here. It's a basic recipe. I just Googled it. My first time making, it's like a hot fried chicken. Let's see how it turns out. I got the ingredients lined up right here. I think I might need to turn on another light. It's a little dark, but just some basic stuff. You got salt, ground paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, black pepper, brown sugar, red hot sauce from Frank's. You got the meat. Flour, eggs, oil, buttermilk. Let's see what happens. This is my first time. This is my first time making hot fried chicken. This might be my third or fourth time making fried chicken. Haven't done it in a while. Let's get into it. All right, so step one, we're going to go ahead and toss the chicken with black pepper, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of salt, bowl. That's what we're doing. 2 tablespoons salt. Don't worry if you spill a little, that's okay. I'm going to guess on the pepper. I'll put a little bit more pepper on the top. All right, so now we got step two. We're gonna whisk the eggs, the buttermilk, and the hot sauce. And then in a separate bowl, we're gonna do salt and flour. We already got the 3 eggs in here. How much hot sauce? 2 tablespoons. Oh, that's a big tablespoon. That's right if it's a little spicy. All right, buttermilk is the third item in here. 2 cups. Do a little less than 2 cups because we're doing a little bit less of the chicken. So we'll go. All right, let's mix this together. Hot sauce, buttermilk, eggs. My first time making hot fried chicken. I haven't made fried chicken in forever either, so fingers crossed this goes well. All right, in the second bowl, we're doing flour and salt. It says we need 4 cups of it. I don't think we need 4 cups because we just don't have the exact amount of chicken they got. So we're gonna go a little lighter. Just make sure we have enough flour to dredge everything, get everything nice and coated. I think that's the goal. That should be pretty solid. You know, we'll go a little bit more just to be safe. All right, let's get some salt in here. Make it salty. Okay. Said 4 tablespoons. We'll go a little lighter since we did about half the flour. We'll do about half the salt. Let's mix this together. Get one spot that's got all the salt in it. Super delicious. It's a really small bowl. I should use the bigger bowl. That's okay though. We're gonna make it work. All right, next step, get this oil up to temperature. Oh, I'm spilling some. Oh, that's a lot of fucking oil. All right. Boom. Jan is doing a little salad action over here. Cucumber. Very basic salad. Minimal stuff in there. Nothing too crazy, but we'll show you at the end. Step 3, that's going. Let's do this. We're going to dredge flour, our liquid, which is eggs, hot sauce, salt, and buttermilk. So we're going to go flour, buttermilk, and then back to flour. Throw it on here. We should be good to go. Start the smallest one first. All right, so in this bowl, we're gonna go cayenne pepper, garlic powder, paprika, brown sugar, and then we're gonna mix in hot oil once it's done frying the chicken. But I wanna go ahead and prepare this. Let's just go ahead and toss it in. We're going 6 tablespoons of the cayenne pepper. Brand new, you know we just bought this for the video. Come on now. Okay, so 6 of these. This is gonna give it its kick right here. 3. I don't know if that was 5 or 6. 1 for good luck. Might be super spicy. All right, paprika, 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. And then how much brown sugar? 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Now, all we need is the hot oil. Okay, let's check this temp. Best temp gauge I got. 316. A little warm still. It's showing us really hot. Maybe that's just because this temp can't handle it. Yeah, it's showing us over 400. We're looking for 325. 325 is what we're looking for. Let's see if we can cool it down a little bit. A little rice action going too. Off into the wild. All right, we're slightly above temp, but I feel it'll come down a little bit as we put the chicken in. Temp is about 345 right now. It's supposed to be 325. We'll do it slowly. Let's find out. So my plan is going chicken, pot, tray. Let's see what happens. One last check. 340. We're going. Start the small ones and see what happens. Please. Nice. Nice. 3 at a time since there's 6 pieces. Right. Hopefully we're deep enough into the YouTube video where the algorithm doesn't age restrict it. Let's spark this, whatever this is. Let's keep making this fried chicken, man. Appreciate you guys watching the content, supporting, always showing love. It's greatly appreciated. Finally rolling up. Maybe we can roll some little highlights of it right here. This is the blueprint. Shout out to Barney Blueprint. Stuff's really good, man. It's having me smoke weed again, which is crazy. I've been smoking a lot of hash and dabs. So big cheers, y'all. Chicken's looking good too. Look at this stuff, guys. So we got rice, we got a salad, we got fried chicken, and then we're still gonna finish it off with the spice, like the hot chicken on it. So fingers crossed it turns out good. Again, appreciate you guys watching all the vlogs. Big cheers to you guys. See if Jada will say this. You guys smoke this? Let's go. Can you guys hear the fried chicken? Comment if you can hear the fried chicken bubbling. Gina hitting the doobie. All right, back to the cooking. Just checked the internal temperature of the little piece. So that one was 165, 170. So they're ready to rock. Let's take this first batch out. Time for about oil. Make sure we're still okay. Yeah, what are we at? 320. So we can come up a little bit. Now it's gonna drop as soon as we add this new fresh chicken. Let's get this fresh chicken in and let's get going. These are the bigger pieces. These are big chunkies. Perfect going in. Bam. All right, now let's make our hot oil right here. So we're gonna do 1 cup of the hot oil. Be careful when you do this, you don't wanna burn yourself. This is definitely. I need a bit more, so I'm gonna get a full cup because I was scared to reach in there. Oh, that smells delicious. And then we're gonna go ahead and just whisk them. I'm gonna put the bowl down now, so I can safely whisk it. So this is just cayenne pepper, brown sugar, garlic powder. Ooh, that's a little warm. Don't touch the bottom of that, guys. That is a warm. But you want that to be warm. And then we're gonna brush that on the chicken. All right, guys, this is what we are rocking with. The fried chicken came out nice. The salad looks amazing. The rice is perfection. We'll give you a score at the end of the meal. The camera is literally redlining right now. No battery. Let's eat this. Review coming in. All right, first bite. Let's see. Crunch. Huh? Well, that's a little spicy. Wow. What's up? Spicy. Delicious. Out of 10, probably 7.5, maybe 7.6. We'll cook that again. Let me know in the comments if you want to do more cooking vlogs. All right? We're out of here. Peace.